జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 604th నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం ఫ్రమ్ 64th శ్లోక. ఓం నివృత్తాత్మనే నమః. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Parasara Bhattaru Swami, who gave us the meanings of Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam, which we are all learning every day. Sri Parasara Bhattariyaha Sri Rangesa Purohitaha Sri Vatsankasuta Sriman Shreyase me astu bhuyase. ఓం నివృత్తాత్మనే నమః. హో శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, those who follows bhakti margam, the path of devotion, and prapatti margam, the path of saranagati, they are known as Nivruttaha. And O Srimannarayana, I realize that you treat all Nivruttaha as an equivalent to your life. That much you love them. That is why you are known as Nivruttatma. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus divine feet. Om Nivrutatmane Namaha. Om Nivrutatmane Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Kishkindhakanda, Tara is crying while sitting right next to Vali, and Tara fell on the floor. Then Senaihi Asvasayamasa Hanuman Hariyudhapaha. Hanuman came close to Tara and slowly consoling, pacifying Tara Devi, saying like this: "Ho Tara, everyone supposed to be going through the reactions of their actions, whether it may be bad or good, and like that they will also go through some pains and pleasures. O Tara Devi, do not think that Sugriva killed Vali, but you have to consider that Vali is killed by his own actions. O Tara Devi, Sugriva is just an excuse in that entire episode. And also, everyone supposed to be questioning themselves, evaluating themselves, thinking that what I am doing and what I am going to get out of it. All of my actions, where are they going to lead me? What kind of pains and pleasures I will go through if I do like this? And what kind of upper worlds that I will attain out of my actions? These are all the things everyone supposed to question themselves. O Tara, this body is like bubble, water bubble. That is why do not cry for this body. Now your son is still alive. Angada is still alive. Now you have to take care of your son and for the sake of your son you have to be alive. You should not be saying that you would also die along with your husband Vali. O Tara Devi, now you have to think what you supposed to be doing for Vali. Every soul comes into body and then departs from the body. There is no way we can stop that. And now, thinking that, realizing that fact, you should not be keep crying and sitting right next to Vali, but you have to think what action you should be performing now so that the departed soul would be getting favor out of it. Those are called Urdhva Daihika Kriya. O Tara Devi, you have to do that now. You have to have your son Angada do that so that Vali will be in peace. O Tara Devi, this Vali is not an ordinary Vanara. He is a great Vanara. And under his ruling, all the Vanaras were happily living on this earth. And because of Paramatma's Sankalpam, now Vali left his last breath. O Tara Devi, Vali used to console whoever in the pain. Vali used to pacify whoever was crying. Vali used to give how much ever that everybody wants so that they would be content. Vali used to forgive all those who commits mistakes and sins. Such great Vali, Gato Dharma Jitam Bhumim, definitely he is going and reaching great upper worlds, divine upper worlds. That is why, O Tara Devi, Nainam Sochitumarhasi, do not cry. We all will be under your ruling only. O Tara Devi, you now have your Angada son perform all last rites to Vali. Whatever Angada supposed to be doing as son of Vali, he should be doing, and now you have to help him do that. For now, that is what we have to be doing. After all these things are done, O Tara Devi, Simhasanagatam Putram Pasyanti Shanti Meshyasi. You can make your Angada as king, and while he is ruling the kingdom, you can be happy and peaceful. Like that, when Hanuma said few words to console Tara Devi, now Tara Devi responding back to Hanuma like this. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 64th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Anivarti Nivrittatma Samkshepta Kshema Kruchivaha Srivatsavakshaha Srivasaha Sripatihi Srimatamvaraha. Anivarti Nivrittatma Samkshepta Kshema Kruchivaha Srivatsavakshaha Srivasaha श्रीपतिः श्रीमतां वरः। ॐ सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण। ॐ निवृत्तात्मने नमः। ॐ निवृत्तात्मने नमः। ॐ निवृत्तात्मने नमः।